Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'll be talking about my freshly built Cero Mini from 3Racing with a wheelbase of 225mm in the 4-wheel drive version. This is already my 5th car from the Cero series and I'm still absolutely impressed with the price to performance ratio that 3Racing delivers here. For under 90 euros you really get a great car that also holds its own in competition. I got this chassis specifically to use in the RCK Kleinserie and the Nordbayern Cup. Let's first take a look at the contents of the kit. Because of shipping from Hong Kong, unfortunately all the fluids had to be removed. That means no shock oil, no diff oil, no grease and no thread lock are included. For me that wasn't a problem since I already have everything here, but it's something to keep in mind. Other than that, the kit is really well equipped. It comes with 2 front bumpers and 2 spur gears, one in 64 dp and one in 48 dp. You get CVD drive shafts all around, a spool at the front axle and the differential from the 3Racing Cero touring car. On top of that there are also 2 different stabilizers included. Everything is nicely made, easy to assemble and simply fun to build. I'm really happy with the result and already looking forward to the first runs on track. During the build I immediately used some of my existing parts. That's one of the big advantages of the Cero platform. Most parts can be swapped one-to-one between the cars. Big thumbs up to 3Racing, that's just awesome. Now for my modifications. Visually you'll notice it right away. I replaced the stock plastic dampers with my high quality aluminium dampers from the Cero Ultra. I also swapped the steering for the aluminium steering set from the Ultra. On top of that I installed the lightweight pulley gear and replaced the bulkheads with aluminium ones, mainly because I want less wear from constantly screwing into plastic parts. Will this make a noticeable difference on track? Honestly, I don't think so. To be fair, I'm not a good enough driver to really take advantage of those differences. In the end, it's mostly a mental thing. Either way, I'm super excited for the first race and I'll definitely keep you updated. Thanks for watching and see you at the track.